your desires, taste buds, and addictions will change so fast. Remember, the pathogens are driving you. When you're looking for sugars, starches, alcohols, addictive acidic substances, it's the pathogens inside you that want to consume it. Do you want to feed them? When you're thinking that it's something that you want, you're just being beguiled. It's what they want. They're using you as their host. So as we remove this waste matter, your desires, as I said earlier, I gave you some examples, and your taste buds, your palate, your taste buds are going to change. You're going to want something different. Trust that process. So don't project into the future and think, oh, what am I going to do without my pizza and hamburgers and potato chips and sodas and whatever it is. Don't think you're still going to want them once you get on the road to cleansing, because everything's going to change. Your palate's going to change, your desires are going to change as you remove the waste with the pathogens. This hankering for sweets and starches and alcohols and these things are going to change the animal fleshes, and you're going to have so much energy that you're not going to be looking for external stimulation, false energy, in substances like caffeine and alcohol and animal fleshes and sugars and starches to give you a boost. You're going to have the boost come from within. You're going to feel like, wow, I've got all this energy. What do I do with it? And it's a happy energy. It's a positive energy. It's a wonderful, you have a wonderful sense of inspiration and creativity and affection for people, and a peace, an innate ease, a gentleness, an understanding, more tolerance. This all comes with removing the waste, because the waste makes us angry. It suppresses us so much, it suppresses our tissues so much that it makes us act out, and it makes it easy for us to fall into states of anxiety and stress and anger. So this is all connected.